Hi friends, so today I'm telling you this product. You can check the brand name and model number in the description. So guys, in this video, how the product looks and what is the specification of this product, I have explained in this video. So guys, you go through this video till the end and go through the specification, what are the main features of this product. You go through it, and for more details you please check the description below about this product. So guys, main specification is here, the quality and the product features, you can check it here. If you have any query related to the product, you please share it in the comments. And how the product looks, front view, side view, back view, you can see. And this, for more details, for more specification, check the details below guys. And if you have any query, please share in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Stay updated, stay tuned. Thank you.